Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came by way of Ferengi. Thank you very much. This is Indomie, Instan, Rasa, Soto, Banjar, Limau, Kuit. So being a Soto, I'm guessing it's going to be lime. This one might be one of the awful flavored ones. Awful is organ meat. So like heart, liver, kidneys, spleen, things like that. And this one goes for a whopping 3 minutes on the boil. Throw everything in, stir it up. So yeah, second day of work for my wife on her new job, and they already changed her schedule. Like, okay. I think. I don't know. But we'll see how it goes. It's good. At least it's her regular daily schedule hasn't changed. It's just her when she takes breaks and stuff. Because I want to talk to her on her breaks. Yeah. I like talking to my wife. I do. I'd rather be doing that than doing this right now. I'd rather be hanging out with her. But we got 4 months of her, what do you call it? She was on a leave of absence. She's been dealing with a lot of pain, and she was able to do some stuff, and we were able to start going out walking a little bit, and that was therapeutic. That was a good thing. But that's over. So now it's like, instead of having like all this amazing adult time together that we haven't had since the kids were born, gone. It's like, crap, this sucks. But it's okay. We'll manage. We'll have the weekends with the kids and evenings with the kids. And don't get me wrong, I love the kids, but I love her too, you know. It's like, I like to have some nice time, just us. But I guess that's after we get the kids to bed, which we've been working on. That's always a tricky thing, getting the kids to bed at a reasonable time. So what I've been doing is I've been like making their dinner at 6 p.m. on the dot. And I've got a Kermit the Frog hand puppet. Hear me out. They love it when I do their bedtime routine, and I've got the Kermit the Frog. I can talk like Kermit the Frog, you know, and I can do the puppet, and you know, it's kind of ridiculous. But the rule is, unless they're like all ready for sleep at like between 7:45 and 8 p.m., no Kermit. No. So they really they'd rather like follow the rules and have that happen at least. So that's that's been working out pretty well. But yeah, she was beat yesterday, but I don't know. We'll get used to it. It's just a new schedule to get used to, but I don't know. I like the old schedule better. Basically, once the kids are off, we could go do whatever we wanted and needed to do. Yeah. But we'll see how it goes. It will go well. It always does. We've had to change schedules from time to time. Many times now. Oh, I didn't show you cooking. I wasn't cooking. Usually this is something that I'll sprinkle on top. This is fried onion. I've got more, so I'm just gonna put it in. Oh no, wait, this is vegetable in this one, isn't it? No? I don't know what's going on. Don't mind me, I'm on autopilot. Just trying to get everything done in a timely manner. Yeah, I still need to get maybe I'll just get another ring light. They definitely, the thing that I don't like about the ring lights, they just kind of, I don't know, they just kind of crap out without any warning. I've seen people try to repair them. It's like, dude, they're like $10. They're cheap. But I'd rather get something that was like USB powered and worked really well. But I don't have any money. But by the time you're seeing this, I'm sure I will have found money somewhere. Okay. Or gained some. There's that. Yeah, the other one was vegetable? I don't know, but I'm dumping this stuff in. Louise, stop tossing. She's like our dog is like a freaking rock star in a motel or a hotel room. Maybe a motel room. I don't know. She like loves to thrash everything. So she's got her nice little setup, and then she like thrashes it all up. Cheers. Broth. Some little meaty bits. Yeah. It's got a nice kind of, it's not spicy. It does have a little bit of heat from chili powder. It's more of something I would call spiced with a D, not with a Y. You know what I'm saying? It's all right. It's good. It is more than edible. Let's throw one of these here eggs in, which I made at 6 this morning, I think. Egg. Regular onion. A little bit of coriander. A little bit of lime. And I'm gonna add some, if I can find here. A little fried onion. Crushed red pepper. Do I have room for bean sprouts? Yeah, I'll make room. Ouch! Here you go. Yeah, a neat, tasty Indonesian variety. There you go. that's it for me. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and goodbye.